The World Games are in full swing here in Chengdu inside arenas. It's the ultimate clash of speed and strength. Outside, a very different contest is quietly unfolding, the art of relaxation. Today, I will take you through a three-step journey into Chengdu's gold medal trail. With each step, the pace slows, the breath softens, and the heartbeat steadies, until it feels like time itself has stopped. If relaxation were a Gold Games event, Chengdu would be the undefeated champion.
采耳了。第一，放松大脑；第二，缓解神经；第三，清理耳道。Welcome to Chengdu.
Oh, yeah, welcome to Chengdu and experiencing the air picking. How can we make the face changing of the Sichuan Opera since we already came to Chengdu, Sichuan? Let's take a look. We've got a little steps before you can have your tea. The first step, the Nyang Nyang, which is a traditional name for the servants here, will offer you the teawares, the teacups like this. There's a little bamboo on it, and also a dish in case you want to eat something. And the second step is that a handsome guy will come and help you to pour the hot water into your teacup, and he will name it in different postures and actions with traditional Chinese names. 神龙摆尾. This is called 神龙摆尾. So after that, you can actually enjoy your tea and enjoy your afternoon. Just as you can see, many people are staying here, relaxing themselves in the afternoon, try to playing cards, try to hang out with friends, try to meet with their colleagues or somebody else.
来到成都茶馆什么感想？
不想走。
Just like he said, Chengdu is a city you never want to leave after you came. Life here moves at a slower pace, but you can really feel the laid-back vibe in every corner. From the bustling tea house to the quiet parks where locals just chill and enjoy their day. It's like the city itself invites you to slow down, breathe, and soak in the moment. That's the true 松弛感, a perfect blend of calm, comfort, and joy. Welcome to Chengdu, where relaxation is an art. Chengdu is truly the undisputed champion of relaxation in the world.